Hi, welcome all. We're in Park Street Garage. The snow is up to here. We're gonna open the door and see what happens. Apparently it's stuck. Oh, it's not lifting it.
Ruh-roh.
But I gotta pry it up or something now. Might be too much weight on it. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's gone. I got to move. Ah, yeah, this is gonna be hot. Ready, folks? Do-do-do-do-do. I'm gonna help it. Oh, I'm gonna help it. I'm helping. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah ha ha ha.
Oh.
Isn't that awesome?
G. Is there anything? I'm gonna take your picture.
Woohoo.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Here's where we can punch through, honey.
Yeah? Wait, no, don't do it.